Ever thought of starting your own online store? Imagine a global digital store, open 24/7, managed from home. Not a fantasy, but a reality made possible by Shopify, a top e-commerce platform. Creating a Shopify store is like assembling a puzzle. Each part symbolizes a step. When all parts come together, you have a fully functional online store. Go through the process one puzzle piece at a time. Step 1. Sign up with Shopify. Quickly input your email, craft a password. Now think of a unique representative store name for your new brand. Step 2. Select a theme. Shopify hosts an extensive array of themes. Every theme possesses a unique aesthetic. Tailoring it to match your brand's identity is a streamlined process. Each theme offers distinct customization options. Select the one that resonates with your brand ethos. Customizing it to fit your brand is as simple as pie. Step 3. Add products to your store. This entails uploading descriptions, prices, and images for every item. This will entice potential customers. Your store is beginning to take shape, not ready to open yet. Crucial steps will ensure a smooth shopping experience for your customers. Step 4. Connect your store to a payment processor. Shopify facilitates numerous payment choices. It ensures a smooth checkout for your clientele, wherever they may be. Step 5. Set up shipping and taxes. With Shopify, calculate shipping rates and taxes automatically. This avoids unpleasant surprises at checkout. Your Shopify store is now active and filled with products, eager to greet customers. It's been set up, your products have been organized, and it's open for business. Now, the question that arises is, how do you actually start earning with Shopify? Firstly, by selling products. It's a simple process. You select an item, list it on your store, attract customers, and finalize the sale. Each sale equals profit. Just remember, this profit is net of both the cost of goods sold and Shopify's minimal fees. Every sale you make is a profit minus the cost of goods and Shopify's nominal fees. Secondly, affiliate marketing. This involves promoting brands' products on your store. You'll earn commissions for sales made via your referral link. Lastly, via dropshipping. This business model involves selling items without maintaining stock. Upon customer orders, the supplier sends the product directly to the customer. Starting your own Shopify store, an exciting venture. The e-commerce world is ripe with opportunities. Begin your journey today. It's time to turn dream into a reality.